Let me show you how we made this DIY balloon wall for my daughter's first birthday. I have to admit, I went way overboard on buying supplies. We were trying to cover an entire garage door, so I wasn't sure how much we were going to need. And to be fair, I opened every single pack, just to take some out of each so that the entire wall could be cohesive. We also got a whole bunch of party favors that we ended up not using. We also didn't end up using the double-sided tape or the pinwheels we bought. Now, we definitely used the balloon decorating strip. It was the most vital part of the process. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. Let me open it to show you what we're gonna do with it. When you unravel it a little bit, it's got these little holes, which you attach one balloon in each hole. We also borrowed this handy-dandy balloon blower from some good friends. So first I measured our garage door that we wanted to cover with balloons. The decorating strip ended up being the perfect size. So now it was time to make all of these balloon garlands. I wanted to mix and match all of the balloons for the garlands, so I would take one balloon from each pack each time. The baby ended up being terrified of the balloon blowing machine, so I had to take a break and get somebody to help me take care of her while I kept going. She came back for the attaching part. After I made the first one, I thought it would be a cool idea to do a cute little photo booth station. But we couldn't really get the baby to stay in one place. So here's a video of us trying. After that, we took it back down and the whole family started helping. We had to make 5 garlands to fill the whole wall. Oh my goodness! Look how cute she is! I can't wait to look back on these when we're older. Now it was time to attach it. We ended up using screws and zip ties to attach it to the sides. And then we were ready for party time. I really hope you enjoyed this process. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching Art with Bianca. Stick around for another tutorial.